In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Outlook status the right way, so your availability shows correctly as available, busy, away, or do not disturb. This is super important if you're working in an office environment, working remotely, or collaborating with a team, because your Outlook status is connected to the entire Microsoft ecosystem. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. To change your status in Outlook, the first thing you need to understand is that Outlook itself does not directly control your present status. Your status is actually managed through Microsoft Teams, which syncs your availability across Outlook and other Microsoft apps automatically. So the key is making sure you're signed into Teams using the same Microsoft account as your Outlook. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open and loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Teams icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open Microsoft Teams using the same Microsoft account you're currently signed into with Outlook. If Teams is not already installed, Outlook will prompt you to open it in your browser or install the app. Once Microsoft Teams is open, make sure you're fully signed in. Now look at the top right corner of the Teams window and click on your profile picture. Right next to your name, you'll see your current status, such as available, busy, or away. Click directly on your current status. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showing all the available status options. You'll see choices like available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, and appear offline. Hover over the status area and click the arrow to expand the full list if it's not already visible. Now simply select the new status you want. For example, if you're heading into a meeting, choose busy or do not disturb. If you're stepping away from your desk, select away. As soon as you click on the new status, it updates instantly. What's really useful here is that this status change automatically syncs across the entire Microsoft ecosystem. That means your new status will appear in Outlook, Teams, and other Microsoft apps where presence information is shown. Anyone emailing you in Outlook or trying to contact you in Teams will now see your updated availability. If you ever need to change your status again, just repeat the same steps. Open Teams from Outlook, click your profile picture, and select a different status. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Outlook status by updating it through Microsoft Teams, and now your availability is accurately reflected everywhere. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.